Adam was created by God, and the woman was created from Adam's rib. And because of this, some people argue that woman owes her origin to man, and therefore woman is inferior to man. But Adam was asleep when Eve was created. He had nothing to do with her creation. Both man and woman owe their existence to a creator God. Without God, neither man or woman would exist. Man was created from dust. Does this make man inferior to dust? Woman was created from man. Does this make woman inferior to man?